Okay, amongst the wild yam, you see there's this guy with the tendrils, and notice the three-lobe leaves, not to be mistaken for something with the five-lobe leaves, and they're rounded rather than sharp. This is Passiflora, lutea variety clavifolia, and that's apparently only in the southern part of the Illinois. And there you go. That's another one, certainly. But anyway, I love a little passionflower. I've always thought them very cute. Green flowers, definitely typical passionflower sort of arrangement, not as colorful, but a cute plant.